Hello, good day everyone. I am Johanna Danica Villarica from N34. So we're the group 1 and we're assigned to tackle about the integumentary system. So first, I will discuss the normal functions of the body system. First, what is the integumentary system? Your integumentary system is your body's outer layer. It's made up of your skin, nails, hair and the glands, and nerves on your skin. Your integumentary system acts as a physical barrier, protecting your body from bacteria, infection, injury, and sunlight. It also helps regulate your body temperature and allows you to feel skin sensation like hot and cold. What makes up the integumentary system? Your integumentary system is an organ that consists of a few maintained structures like skin, nails, hair, and glands, along with the nerves and blood vessels that support them. First is the skin. Your skin is the largest and heaviest organ in your body. It weighs about 6 pounds or more and is approximately 2 millimeters thick. Thinner or sensitive areas like eyelids and thicker on surfaces that take more stress, like the soles of your feet. 1 inch of your skin contains nearly 19 million cells. Your skin is composed of 3 layers, with nerves that recognize different sensations in each layer. First is the epidermis, the top layer of your skin. This is the part of your skin that you can see and touch. It's made up of 3 types of cells like melanocytes, keratinocytes, and Langerhans. It gives your skin its color and provides a waterproof barrier. Second is the dermis, the middle layer of your skin. This layer is the thickest. It contains sweat and oil glands and hair follicles. Third, the hypodermis, the bottom layer of your skin. It's the fatty layer of the skin that helps insulate your body. Second is the nails. Your nails protect the ends of your fingers and toes. The anatomy of your skin consists of, first is the nail plate, the hard part of your nail you can see. Second is the nail bed, the skin under your nail plate. The third is the cuticle, the thin skin at the base of your nail plate. Fourth is the matrix, the root of the nail responsible for making it grow. Fifth is the lunula, the white moon-shaped part of your nail plate. Next is the hair. Our hair more than help us look nice. The hair on your head helps keep heat on your body. Your eyelashes and eyebrows help protect your eyes from dirt and water. Your hair is made up of protein called keratin. Your hair consists of 3 parts, the shaft, follicle, and bulb. Hair shaft, the part which is the part of your hair you can see, touch, and style. Hair follicle, the tube-like structure that keeps your hair in your skin. Last is the hair bulb, located under your skin and responsible for hair growth. Goosebumps are caused by your integumentary system. We all have hair erector muscles connected to our hair follicles and skin. When it contracts, it makes your hair stand up. The goosebumps are what we see when these tiny muscles contract. Last is the glands. Glands are found throughout your skin. They release materials like water, salt, or oil from under your skin to the surface of your skin. Your integumentary system consists of the following glands. First is the sudoriferous glands. These are the glands that secrete sweat through your skin. There are 2 types of sweat glands, the eccrine glands and apocrine glands. Eccrine glands are all over your body and open to your pores, while apocrine glands open into your hair follicles. Second is the sebaceous glands. These glands produce sebum oil and give your face its oil. Third is the ceruminous glands. These are the glands in your ear that secrete airwax. Then last is the mammary glands. These are the glands on a person's chest in people assigned female at birth. Mammary glands produce milk after giving birth.
Now we are going to discuss the normal changes in aging. So as you age, your body will change physically, emotionally, and mentally. System that undergo changes as you age includes the cardiovascular system, the skeletal and muscular system, the digestive system, nervous system, excretory or urinary system, and the reproductive system. And I also include the general changes in the body physically. So these are the overview or the content of my report for today. We have the cardiovascular system. So the most common change in the cardiovascular system is the stiffening of the blood vessels and arteries, causing your heart to work harder to pump blood through them. The heart muscle change to adjust to the increased workload. Your heart rate at rest will stay about the same, but it won't increase during activities as much as it used to. These changes increases the risk of high blood pressure or hypertension and other cardiovascular problems. So, to promote heart health, it is important that we should include physical activity in our daily routine, manage to get enough sleep, eat a healthy diet, and try to manage or avoid stress so that we can avoid any complications, any cardiovascular complication as we grow old. The skeletal and muscular system. So with age, bones tend to shrink in size and density, weakening them and making them more susceptible to fracture. They even become a bit shorter, and muscles generally lose strength, endurance, and flexibility. And these factors can affect the coordination, stability, and balance of the older adult. Is the digestive system. Age-related structural changes in the large intestine can result in more constipation in older adults. Other contributing factors include a lack of exercise, not drinking enough fluids, and a low-fiber diet. Medications such as diuretics and iron supplements, and certain medical conditions such as diabetes also might contribute to constipation. So, in the digestive system, older adults are more prone to constipation than normal adults. So, it is important to encourage them to have an healthy diet and to tell them that they should not ignore the urge to have a bowel movement, since this contributes to the nervous system. So with age, their brain and nervous system go through a natural change. Their brain and spinal cord lose nerve cells and weight. Nerve cells may begin to pass messages more slowly than in the past. Waste products or other chemicals such as beta amyloid can collect in the brain tissues as nerve cells break down. These can cause abnormal changes in the brain called plaques and tangles to form. A fatty brown pigment can also build up in the nerve tissue. Breakdown of nerves can affect their senses, and they might have reduced or lost reflexes or sensation. This leads to problems with movement and safety. Slowing of thought, memory, and thinking is also a normal changes of aging. So, stimulating hormone. Now we have some general changes that occur in the body physically. So first, we have the eyes and ears. So with age, they might have difficulty focusing on objects that are close up, and they might become more sensitive to glare and have trouble adapting to different levels of light. Aging also affects their eye lenses, causing clouded vision. So in their teeth, their gums might pull back from their teeth, and certain medications such as those that treat allergies, asthma, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol can also contribute and can cause dry mouth. And then lastly is their skin. So with age, their skin thins and become less elastic and more fragile, and fatty tissues just below the skin decreases. They might notice that they bruise more easily, and decreased production of natural oils might make their skin more dry than it used to be, and wrinkles, age, spots, and small growth called skin tags are more common.
So hi, today I'm going to discuss about the integumentary systems, changes of one body system as interacts with and or affects other physiological systems. So each individual's body system works in a conjunction with other body systems. The circulatory system is a good example of how body systems interact with each other. Example, your heart pumps blood through a complex network of blood vessels. Each of our body system relies on the others to work well. Working together, these systems maintain internal stability and balance, otherwise known as homeostasis. How does the integumentary system interact with other body systems? The skin and other parts of the integumentary systems work with other organ systems to maintain homeostasis. The skin works with the immune system to defend the body from pathogens by serving as a physical barrier to microorganisms. And now, how does the integumentary system work together? So, the skin, hair, nails, and glands work harmoniously to protect the body from harm and maintain homeostasis. The integumentary system works with the following bodily systems. Here we have an example of immune system, digestive system, cardiovascular system, nervous system, respiratory system, and urinary system. So in immune system, it acts as a physical barrier to disease-causing germs and houses immune cells' trusted source. And in the digestive system, the skin provides the digestive system with vitamin D. This vitamin helps the body absorb calcium, which is needed for bone maintenance and muscle contractions. In the cardiovascular systems, the skin's blood vessels can constrict or dilate to conserve or release heat. In nervous system, the skin transmits information from sensation through nerve receptors to the brain. These include the perception of pain, heat, cold, and others. And in the respiratory system, the tiny hairs lining the nasal passages remove harmful particles before the lungs inhale them. And in the urinary system, the skin excretes waste product which help the kidneys maintain the body's electrolyte and pH balance. So what conditions that may affect the integumentary systems? First is we have the acne. So acne is a common condition that causes spots, pimples, and blackheads. It is most common in teenagers. However, it can occur at any age. And second is we have the athlete's foot. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection that causes itching, redness, and blisters on the feet. It is mostly commonly caused by wearing shoes that do not allow the skin in the feet to breathe. Third is we have the skin cancer. Skin cancer is the most common type of cancer. It can be due to overexposure to UV radiation from the sun or sunbeds. Skin cancer may appear as a discolored, scaly, and crusty skin patch.
Hi everyone, my name is Julmi Artanoha, and today I'm going to report the age-related diseases in its effect to the functional ability of older adults in relation for the integumentary system. What are the age-related diseases and how it affects to the functional ability for older adult? So for the first diseases, we have the acrocordon. So acrocordon is a condition which affects older women. Acrocordon is categorized by small pinnules growth on the skin, otherwise known as skin tags. The skin tags contain dermal connective tissue and blood vessels. They are thought to be associated with the hormonal imbalance. Next is we have the decubitus ulcer. So the decubitus ulcer is a condition which affects people who are bedridden or otherwise immobilized, such as those confined to a wheelchair or who spend their days sitting rather than moving around. The decubitus ulcers are characterized by cavities or dead tissues that are formed in the skin. The constant pressure from being immobilized reduces blood flow to skin and irritates the tissue. Bacteria can attack and weaken the tissue. Next is we also have the herpes zoster. So herpes zoster is a condition which can affect people of all ages, but it is most common in people between the age of 50 to 70, also known as shingles. The disease is characterized by itching and aching pain, which followed by the appearance of small red papules on the skin. The papules are replaced by small fluid-filled vesicles which burst and can be quite painful. The disease is caused by the same viruses that causes chickenpox. After entering the body and causing chickenpox, the virus lays dormant in the body for years only to repair later in life. We also have lentigo. So lentigo is a condition which affects people above the age of 50 years, commonly known as the liver spots or senile freckles. Lentigo is characterized by blemishes on the skin associated with aging and exposure to ultraviolet radiation from the sun. With aging, they range in color from light brown to red or black, are located in arms most often exposed to sun, particularly the hands, the face, the shoulder, the arms, and the forehead, and also the scalp if bald. Next is we have the seborrheic keratosis. So the seborrheic keratosis is a condition which affects middle-aged and older adults. The condition is characterized by formation of benign and epidermal tumors. These flesh-colored oval raised plaques typically form on the face, scalp, chest, or back. Gradually, these plaques thicken, enlarge, and darken. Seborrheic keratosis can considered inherited condition. Next is a senile angiomas. Senile angiomas is a condition which affects 75% of people over the age of 70. The condition is characterized by red spot ranging from very tiny to over 1/4 inch in diameter. These spots are caused by cluster or dilated capillaries. So, skin disorder can be caused by many conditions including blood vessels diseases such as arterioloclerosis, diabetes, heart diseases, liver diseases, nutritional deficiency, obesity, reaction to medicine, and stress. Other causes of skin changes can be allergies to plants and other substances, climate, clothing, exposure to industrial and household chemical, indoor heating. Then prevention, because most skin change are related to sun exposure. Prevention is a lifelong process. Prevent sunburn if all possible. Then use good quality sunscreen when outdoors, even in winter. Then wear protective clothing in hot when needed.